Okay, let's just jump right into this recipe. It's crock-pot chicken fillet. It's one of our favorite recipes and it's so easy to make. In fact, it's not even a recipe because I just kind of wing it, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. So, get out your crock-pot, put in your chicken breasts. This is about 2 pounds and just put them in your crock-pot and then take a whole jar of your favorite salsa. You can do any kind you like. This is just straight up salsa, but I've used one that has corn in it, black beans. You could even do like a mango or pineapple salsa. The options are endless. Just dump it right in. And then Dijon mustard, I think the actual recipe is 2 tablespoons, but I just scored some in. I don't even measure anymore. So you can add as much or as little as you'd like. And then the last ingredient is just fresh lime juice. I typically do half a lime, just squeeze it right in. And then set it and forget it. I typically put it on for 3 or 4 hours on high. You could also cook it on low, but it depends on your crock pot. That's it. It's as simple as that. Give it a try and let me know what you think.